In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert USDT to Ethereum in Bybit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Bybit, you will be able to easily convert your USDT to Ethereum or any other currency available. So to start, you will need to transfer where your USDT are located. To do this, go over to your assets, so tap the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and in here, choose the option to transfer. This will allow you to transfer your USDT to a different kind of wallet. So you will have different wallets or accounts, and you have to swap your USDT between your funding account to a unified trading account where you will have access to many different currencies, including Ethereum. So after you make this transfer and you choose USDT as the coin, you include the amount, and all of these USDT go over to your unified trading account, you will be able to actually purchase Ethereum. So now switch over to the markets option. It is going to be the secondary one, and in here you will see all of the currencies available on the market. Now find and tap on Ethereum. Usually it is going to be close to the top because it is a very popular option. So when you select Ethereum, you will be able to see a graph of the price, see all of the differences here, and at the bottom you will have the option to buy Ethereum or sell Ethereum. So all that you have to do here is choose the option to buy. If you have Ethereum that you want to sell, choose this option instead. But for this video, we're going to be focusing on this first one. So when you choose the option to buy, you will be able to switch over to trade and then manage the amount, quantity, and so on that you want to purchase. So you can make an order to buy this much Ethereum for this price. So you will include the price over here and then how much you want. And as long as you tap the option to buy Ethereum, you will be able to receive all of it in your account. Just use the markets function and transfer your USDT over to Ethereum by using the unified trading market. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert USDT to Ethereum on Bybit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.